Greenwood.
Thank you, Mr Walker. Since 2013, Nottingham City Council's main government funding has been cut by 3/4, from 127 million to just 25 million. And what's worse is that the government at the same time have been handing out extra cash to some Tory shires, while cities like ours, which are coping with high levels of deprivation, have been disproportionately hit. In 10 years, Surrey has gained £19 per household, while Nottingham has lost 529. And of course, these cuts come at a time when the council faces rising demand for their services, especially adult social care and child protection. And that inevitably means cuts to vital frontline services. And last year alone, the city's been forced to cut public health programmes to help people lose weight, stop smoking. It's cut youth and play services. There have been new restrictions on disabled people's bus passes. Fares on supported buses have come up. There are higher fees for leisure centres and other services. It's all short-term and self-defeating. In the long run, this is putting extra burdens on our NHS, on our police and on other local services. As has already been said, one of the most visible changes is the increase in rough sleeping. In 2010, when Labour left government, Nottingham City had an estimated 3 rough sleepers per night. This year, it's risen to 43. And despite the fantastic work that the City Council are doing, they face an incredible challenge. And of course, that's just the most visible element. Only 5% of the total number of people who need help with their housing. In Nottingham, 15 families a week are presenting as homeless. Is it any wonder when the local government's housing allowance cap has been frozen since 2016 and won't rise until at least 2020? The government says that properties can be found for £42, £54 per week. But recent research by Advice Nottingham found that the cheapest was £63 a week, over £20 more than the government claims. For a family of 4 needing a 2-bedroom house, Advice Nottingham found only 2 in the entire city within LHA levels. So social housing is just an ever-rising demand to add to that list. And the cuts keep coming, Mr Chairman. Nottingham City Council are currently undertaking their budget consultation for this year. I wonder if the Minister could advise us what vital services would he cut next. I hope he's listening, because he considers the damage done to local government funding cuts already, the damage they continue to do to my constituents and my city. It's time for this to change. It cannot go on.